Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give your accountant access on Xero. So first, you may want to head over to Xero.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, at the top left corner of your screen, click on your profile name or business name. Then next is click on settings. Now under the general settings, look for users and click on it. Now, for you to be able to give your accountant an access, you have to invite them. And to do that, click on Invite a User button. Add in the personal details about your accountant, such as their first name and last name and email address. And from here, you can also set permissions on what areas do you give them access into. Then once done, head over and click on Send Invite. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!